Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. As usual, today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply leave a group here in your GroupMe app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video with your friends and family who also need it and can do it accordingly. And now we will simply just start our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go to your mobile phone and open your GroupMe app. So once you open, you will see this kind of interface right here, all your chats and etc. So what you will do is, if you simply want to leave a group, you will simply go ahead and tap on the existing group that you are in, tap on it, and then you can see your group's profile on top left corner, right? Simply go ahead and tap on that icon and this kind of interface will open up. So if you want to leave this group, what you will do is, you will tap on this three dot icon on your top right corner right there. Simply tap on that icon, and here you can see this last option where you can see leave group. So here in this group, since I have an end group option, but since if you are a member, you will be able to see a leave group option right there. Simply tap on it, confirm, and you will be able to leave that particular group that you wanted to. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.